So I just got back from a trip that I think everyone should take once in their life. I walked across Slovenia to Italy with on-foot holidays. Let me tell you about it. You might be saying, walked across a country? What if I get lost? They take care of everything. Before you go, they send you a proper travel pack. It's got maps, route notes, packing list, hotel details, everything you could possibly need. They even remind you to bring a compass. Can we just talk about the compass for a second? Compass. I started traveling before the internet, before cell phones, before even MapQuest. So having like a physical map in my hand and having to use a compass was like a revelation. It was like traveling in the before times, and that's what this trip was like. Because the only thing you really have to do is just experience what's going on around you. There's no distractions, there's no expectations. It was like traveling in the past where adventure was a prerequisite, not something you expected to see on your cell phone. Now, do they have a GPS-assisted app, follows you along the path and even beeps if you get off track? Yeah, they do, and it's fantastic. So there really is nothing to worry about. What's a typical day like? Well, you wake up after a really good night's rest because you're exhausted, and you have an amazing home-cooked breakfast. Local cheeses, meats, farm-fresh eggs, coffee, juices. I mean, the breakfast was enough to put you back into bed. Each morning, someone meets you at your hotel, grabs your bags, and brings the bags to the next hotel. You're just in charge of walking. The whole point is about discovery. Then you grab your little day pack and you head out on the road, and you're gonna walk about 5 to 6 hours. And that might sound like a lot, but it really isn't, because you're walking in one of the most culturally dense countries on planet Earth. This country has historic towns, medieval villages, amazing restaurants, beautiful landscapes, valleys, rivers, mountains, some of the world's deepest caves even. It really is a wonderland. And they're all amazing because all of these routes are designed by locals. So you're going places, seeing things, and meeting people that you wouldn't be able to find anywhere else. You're getting a real local inside view of what it's like to be in that country. And that is a truly beautiful thing. And when you roll into town, you have this amazing feeling of accomplishment. Every place we stayed was family run and owned. The food was local, the wine was local, and the people behind the desk became close friends almost immediately. And then what's waiting for you? An amazing dinner or an experience. Sometimes it's a vineyard that produces its own wine, and they give you a wine tasting, and then they're bringing in the local foods, and you're having this amazing 5-course meal. It's an amazing way to travel. You're tired, you're satisfied, you're fulfilled, and you're honestly gonna have the best night's sleep you've ever had in your life. It's this type of off-menu travel that yields the most unexpected memories, and that is something that I long for in every trip. And while the end of a vacation is usually not something to celebrate, we ended up in Trieste, which is an amazing city. I mean, this is an ancient town, one of the largest old republics that was in Italy. It houses so many amazing cultural places. James Joyce did most of his writing there. Old cafes, beautiful restaurants, local food, a seascape, a beautiful, thriving, young, happy city. This is a way to celebrate the end of a great trip. And I'm telling you, you leave with the biggest smile on your face. This unique type of slow travel ensures that you're going to make indelible memories. Honestly, I usually gatekeep these kinds of trips to myself because God knows I don't need more people, gumming up the works. But On Foot Holidays has dozens of these types of self-guided hikes in multiple countries across Europe. So go nuts. This is something just for you and someone that you bring with you, or a group of friends, that you're going to have the trip of a lifetime. It really is absolutely spectacular. I can't say enough about it. The only thing I can say is go get lost. I mean, you really can't, because they have this great app that beeps if you get lost. But metaphorically, go get lost. It's amazing. Bye.